Hello folks. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make a rescue or system recovery disk. Once upon a time when you bought a new computer, you were given some backup disks. That doesn't happen anymore. So we have to make our own, which I'll show you how to do. When you're running your video, don't forget to, like it's here flashing, just go down to the bottom of your film clip and click here, and it will go to full screen if it's your choice. Now, to create a recovery disk it's fairly simple, but if once you've made it, if you have problems using it, it's better to get some geeky friend to give you a help out. Not everybody is really conversant with computers, and sometimes a knowledgeable friend will be a big help to you. Now, before we go into actually making this recovery disk or rescue disk, whichever you like to call it, we'll just run through the use of. Now here, I'll change the screen. Windows 7 doesn't allow you to create a USB recovery unit. In other words, you can't put it onto a flash drive and use it. You have to make a system repair disk and put it on a CD or DVD, and which we'll show you how to do in a minute. But it'll pay you just to run through this panel here, just which will come up when we get over further and start making the disk. Now, the new Windows 7 is a pretty stable system at the best time. So, but the worst can always happen where you can't boot up your computer. That's where you need to have this rescue disk at your fingertips. Now, all you need to do is, if your computer refuses to boot up, is get this disk, which we'll make up, and put it in your drive, your CD drive, and you'll be able to boot it from there. Now, once again, these are just where we'll go in a minute, and how to create the disk. Now, once you've made the disk and it boots up from that disk, in this panel you'll get a black panel come up with the white writing on it, and you won't be able to use your mouse here to do any selections. So the best thing is you just use, down here on is a little picture of your keyboard. These arrows here, you can up or down, and that will change these, whatever is on here. This panel is just a sample, but it'll probably come up like Windows Setup, and you click on that. When I say click, use your enter button. When you've decided which one you want, just click enter and follow it from there. Now, you can choose different recovery options once you've got you get to this point. You can start up repair, which would be probably the logical one to use, seeing you can't boot up. But the bottom line is these disks an easy way out of repairing your computer with it. But once again, you know, if you're not sure, just ask some friend that's into computers and ask him if he can help you do it. Because you never know when you're going to need this disk. Once we make the disk, label it, recovery disk Windows 7, put the date on it, and put it away in a safe place where, if and when you need it, it's there for you. So hopefully this will recover your system, and you'll be away free again. Now, to make this disk, go to either click on your start button or click the Windows button like I'm doing here. Now, down in this panel here, where it says search programs and files, I've got it. I'm just going to paste it on there, but system repair disk. Okay, there it is. It's come up here. You click on there. And this is where it says to create a disk. So get a blank CD or DVD disk and put it in your drive, and then just click create disk. Now it will run through and create that backup disk for you, or rescue disk for you. At the end of it, you'll see the green bar going across it, and it's doing its job. And when it's finished, just take the disk out of your computer, label it, and then we'll and put it away in a safe place. So that's basically how you make this disk. It's something that we hopefully will never have to use, but it's there if you do. So, all right, we'll leave it there. Before you probably decide to make this disk, just read through as I suggested. You should be able to stop the video at any time if you want to, if you've missed something. But well, you know, we hope all the best, and we'll catch you at another time. All right? Okay.